Do you understand slicing in Python? If not, take this short test to understand, pun intended. Did you get it right? If not, then don't worry. Here is slicing in Python explained. It is a technique in Python where you can extract a part of a list or a string. This is the syntax that is followed. Start determines where to start the slicing. Stop determines where to stop the slicing. Step determines the number of elements that are to be skipped. Let's look at examples and understand. Here we have a list of numbers from 1 to 5. We are asking it to start at index 2 and end at index 4, thus giving us the values of 3 and 4. As can be seen, the number at the fourth index was excluded, as the index given in the end slice parameter is excluded from the new list. Now, in this example, we are asking it to give us numbers from the index 0 to 4. By default, if we leave the start blank, it defaults to 0. Hence, we retrieve 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, we are asking it to give us the numbers from second index to the fifth. The fifth index does not exist, but if you recall, the last number is not inclusive. Hence, this prints till the end of the list. Now, if we omit the start and end parameters for slicing, it defaults to 0 and the length of the list respectively. Hence, this prints the whole list. Here, we introduce steps as well. We are printing the entire list from 0 to 5 index with a step of 2, which means from the start, we will print every second element. The two are identical, as the empty start and the end parameters go to the defaults of 0 and length of the list respectively. Finally, to reverse the list, we need a negative step. Hence, we need it to start from the last index, which is 5, and we need it to end on the 0th index number. This syntax can be simplified by simply letting the defaults handle this, and we can just provide the -1 step. Now let me ask you again.